Hello everyone, in this video we will teach you how to install the Sige series cooling fans. First, let's open the box. Take out our cooling fan. Inside, you will find the fan, screws, and the silicone pans. This cooling fan is compatible with the entire Sige series, including Sige 1, Sige 3, Sige 5, and Sige 7. We have already installed the Sige 7, so let's use the Sige 5 as an example. This is our Sige 5. So let's use the Sige 5 as the example. First, plug in the fan connector. Then place the silicone pans on top of the CPU. Flip it over and install the screws. That is. Okay,